What is good, guys? Welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. And today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how you can engage in affiliate marketing using Facebook. Now, Facebook, obviously the biggest social media platform there is. Millions, if not over a billion users, I believe it is. So it's a really you're giving yourself a very great chance to promote your products and to make an affiliate sale here. So I'm gonna be giving you a step-by-step tutorial. I'm sorry, it's still early and my brain is taking a while to wake up today. That's why I got the coffee here. So just excuse me if I do take steps occasionally. Before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Please smash that subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, guys, we're just here to help you guys, share our knowledge, help you guys make some money online, even if it's just for a side hustle, right? It doesn't have to be a full-time job. It can be a side hustle, just a little income on the side. And I mean, who doesn't need extra cash these days? What I wanted to say is, before we start with the video, we are actually busy building our very detailed online money making course. We already have a Discord server. So if you want to be part of that course, guys, it's a very exclusive course, very in-depth course that we're going to be showing to you guys. We're still busy with creating it, but we are in the process of, gathering people to participate. So if you are interested in changing your life for the better, just comment down below, I'm in, and we will add you to the Discord server. Once the course is done, you'll be added to that course as well, giving yourself a shot to change your life for the better. And the more we can motivate and help each other out, the better, guys. But yeah, let's dive into this tutorial, right? So obviously I'm going to be using ClickBank for this tutorial. It is there are obviously other affiliate networks like CJ, there is Digistore, but I like ClickBank because of its versatility and its wide product range. So what you've done, you've obviously logged into your ClickBank account. Right here, you've headed on over to the marketplace, right? So as you can see, we've done a ClickBank tutorial before. So let's pick a niche for this. Let's go with health and fitness again, right? I believe we used health and fitness in the previous video as well. But yeah, okay. So remember what I said, guys. You want to be looking for products of which the gravity score is not too high. This is excessively high. 805 is pretty high. 400 is pretty high. So you need to look for something with a little bit lower gravity score, right? Something like this is, yeah, something like this, like Flux Active. If you go to the page and just check out if it's actually a legit product, if it's a good product, you always want to keep an ounce of integrity here when you're promoting this stuff. So I always go to these pages. I always go to the home pages. I always read up on what this product is exactly, and so it looks like this. If you look at this. Contains a proprietary formula consisting of a group of 14 essential prostate and bladder antioxidants. So it's an antioxidant, helps with your bladder health, prostate health. All right, so it seems like a good product, right? So you want to go out of here, and obviously you're going to click on promote. You're going to get your affiliate link, and then remember, always, guys, come over to Bitly. Paste your links here. It's a URL shortener. It's free to create an account. You can use, I think with a free account, you can create like 1,000 links. So it's a very useful tool. And the thing is that as you can see here, you can track all of your links, right? But paste your link into here, you get your affiliate link. And now here comes the interesting part. Once you have that shortened link, which you can track, right? You head on over to your Facebook, right? You can use your personal Facebook. You can use you can use whatever Facebook profile you have, and let's say you search groups, right? So let's take, for example, this is a health supplement, right? So let's say health and wellness, and you search for a health and wellness group, right? So this is a very old school method of affiliate marketing. There's also other methods that I'm going to show to you guys, but for demonstration purposes, we're going to be focusing on this, right? So you want to preferably go to public groups. So let's say if we join this one, or let's say we don't even have to join this. I'm just going to show you for demonstration purposes what you can do here and how you're supposed to word the post, right? So once you found your Facebook group, like we did here with health and wellness, I want you guys to, while that is loading, I want you guys to head over to another website which is called Pixels, right? Pixels. And what Pixels is it's a website that offers royalty-free photos and royalty-free videos for you to use. And this is where the important part comes in, right? So because you're promoting a health-based product or a health-based supplement, you want to be, you want to be searching for something along those routes. So let's say we can type in exercise, right? So we can type in exercise. And this should give us a array of photos and videos that we can use. Now you can, okay, right. So here are all real royalty-free exercise photos that you can use while promoting. You see all up in here. There's even videos for you guys to use. Just letting this load in a minute. It's taking 4 years to load. I do not know why. All right. So as you can see, so you have your photos and you also have royalty-free videos that you can use for affiliate marketing purposes. So I have already, before this video, I've downloaded a video from here that I'm going to use to show you guys exactly what I'm going to do here. So if we head on back, so once you've downloaded, you've picked your exercise photo, your exercise video, whatever it may be, you head back over to the Facebook group, right? Why has this still not loaded? Goodness. There we go. Right. So once you'll be okay, so you have to be careful here because in some groups you're given the option to post, in some groups not, right? So here you see you can post, and here's the thing. So let's click on add a photo or a video. Okay. Now, as I've said, I've downloaded a video yesterday regarding the whole exercise theme, so which we're going to be using here. So it's this one. So you simply, what you do is you drag this over and you add this. Right. Now here's where the tricky part comes in, and this is where most people they screw it up, right? So all good, you have your nice little video there, people jump roping. Now, you want to word this in a way that's not spammy, right? So if we go back to the marketplace and we click on Flux Active, we should be able to get that information again. And you want to word this as carefully as possible to make it not seem spammy, because as soon as people in the group see it's spammy, you're either going to be banned for the group, you're going to be removed, or you're going to have a lot of trouble, or people are not going to be happy, right? So Flux Active 14-in-1 Vital Prostate Wellness Formula designed to offer complete support, supports the normal functions of the bladder, prostate, and reproductive system. Excellent. So this links with our health-based video. It's important that these two match up, obviously. So you can say something along the lines like, let's see. Okay, now my keyboard is not working for some reason. All right, there we go. You can say, hey guys, hope you all are well. Are you having prostate health issues that have been bugging you for years? So you have to ask that affirmative question, because this question is going to make people think, you know what, yes, I have been dealing with that problem. What can I do to solve it? Here's the answer. Look no further. Look no further. Flux Active, or let's say, or rather, a better approach would not be name the product at all. You could say something like, did you know about this amazing new product designed to facilitate oh my god, my spelling is off there, huh? Facilitate a healthy, okay, Okay, there's a technical error. Right. So I'm gonna have to start with this again. So okay, but you get the gist. So you're gonna just say, hey guys, have you been having health issues with your prostate? If so, look no further. This new amazing product will or is formulated to help improve bladder and prostate health. Don't believe me? See for yourself. All right, so it's not going to be exactly this, but something along this lines, right? So make sure you ask this question, because this is what is gonna make people think about themselves. Have they been having that issues? Yes. So what can they do to change it? If so, look no further. This new amazing product is formulated to help improve bladder and prostate health. Don't believe me? See for yourself. And what you're going to do is simply you're going to paste your affiliate link right there together with a video, which has now vanished for some reason, but you guys get the drill. Together with your video, and you can also use it often helps to use hashtags as well. For example, let's say prostate health, hashtag prostate, hashtag health supplements. All right. So something along those lines, guys, and obviously you're gonna, include a little bit of emojis to spice things up. You're gonna, together with your video that I've shown you to upload, and you're gonna paste this into this group. Now, please note that this does not stand a 100% chance of working. It's not guaranteed to work, but it is a proven method that a lot of affiliate marketers, including us, still use. And I mean, there might be other more efficient methods, like, for example, YouTube, I like. But this is the old school method. This is the OG method that most people still use to this day. And the key is in this wording. So this is just a quick, off the top of my head, of something that you could write, but you could write something more in depth. But the important thing to consider is that you have to not be spammy. You have to, show some emotion. You have to invoke people's emotions, right? Because if that person does not feel like they need that product and that product is not going to change their lives, why should they buy it in the first place? So simple Facebook guide to affiliate marketing, guys. You can also do this on pages, you can do this on Facebook, but the best tool is groups, preferably public groups. But as I said, be careful with your wording, not to be spammy or anything. But yeah, simple affiliate marketing method using Facebook. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Before we well, did I just say the reaction? I'm so sorry, guys. We have a reaction channel, and I did like 5 or 6 videos right now, so that's kind of indoctrinated to me. But before we leave this video, your online safety is very, very important. We use NordVPN, we've used ExpressVPN, but we found that NordVPN works the best for us. So anytime you're doing, working online with money, affiliate marketing, even, you should consider getting a VPN and looking after your online security. And we currently have a 63% discount on NordVPN that you guys can obtain in the link down below should you be interested. Your online safety is important to us as well. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next vid.